So the two little bellows are up here.
Look at that. Wow, look at that. I only saw one bellow in the movie, but it's actually run by two.
By two, yeah. And it's amazing when you think that that hasn't changed in many hundreds of years. So it's pretty amazing.
I'm just wondering why they record the real cuckoo bird for the
They're the battery operated.
They're the battery operated ones, so that's a recording.
Yeah, that's recording.
Whereas this is actually physically made by the two little bellows.
Yeah. There's a little bell inside that makes the ding dong.
Yeah, if you watch, if you stand on this side, you'll see the hammer.
You stand on the other side, eh?
It's going to go, there. So just watch. I'll do the half out first. Did you see it hit the gong at the back?
Yeah.
Just wait and I'll take it round. And then you'll see it hitting the gong at the back. See the little.
Yeah.
That's what gives it the sound after the cuckoo.
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, sorry. What do you think? Say thank you. Thank you to Janine.
Did you see the big one going?
No, we haven't seen the big one going.
Oh, wow. Okay, watch this toss. That'd be a big cuckoo.
There you are.
Thank you, Janine.
Thank you.
My favourite one is this one up here. Remember what Mum said, don't touch it. Look at this!
Yeah, we're watching. I'm watching, Aiden.
Look at these little ones over